Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to be talking about facts about the agriculture. Now let's get to this video, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to tell you a few facts. Now first off, I've made two videos on facts about the farming, one in April and one in October, but that was me telling you the whole thing about it. So if you want to check out those two videos, I'll leave a link in the description. And also, I even made a video at the very end of November on showing you guys the agriculture business here in the fields. I call it the fields or the countryside, but this is what it is. I'll also leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. But for this video, I'm going to be talking about why we need agriculture and what's so important about it. The agriculture only. Okay, so first off, agriculture, this is where we grow stuff in the fields, like there's so many things to grow in the fields. This is what the photos look like. This is the agriculture. And there's so many things we grow. For example, we grow cotton, which cotton is very important. We need cotton so we can be able to wear the clothes like what we wear right now. The t-shirts, the pants, the shorts, the jackets, and furthermore. So that's why we need the cotton. Also, we have soybean, which this is what it looks like, soybean. Not sure exactly what it's about, but I know what it is. And here we can grow vegetables too. This is what vegetables look like when we grow it. This is what it is. So those are the type of vegetables we got. We have potatoes, which I love potatoes. It's my favorite type of vegetable. And there's so many ways that we can grow or make those recipes for the potatoes. We can make French fries. Again, this is what we have. We have chips or crisps. That's how you say in the UK. And we also have hash browns, which this is what it is, and potato pancakes. I never tried it before, but this is what it looks like, guys. So I love potatoes. Also, I like carrots, which this is what we have. Carrots is good for the eyesight, and I really love carrots. I used to eat this many times. We also have lettuce, which is another one of my favorite vegetables. So this is lettuce. It's fresh and green and it's healthy and it's good for your skin because it's green. And also we have cabbage, which I like cabbage. It's a pretty cool vegetable. But the funny thing is, with cabbage, it has a pretty strong smell, which is crazy, guys. Some vegetables have strong smells, but some don't. So this is the cabbage. And we also have zucchini, which is, I love zucchini. It's really great, especially when I've stuffed zucchini, on Fridays or Thursdays, it depends. So this is zucchini. We have eggplants. This is what eggplants look like. I love the eggplants. It is so good. And furthermore, guys, there's so many vegetables that we can grow on here. By the way, not to mention, we have tomatoes, which of course, I love tomatoes, especially making a tomato sauce. A fresh homemade tomato sauce, which is better than the ones that we have from the store. And also we have pumpkins. Don't mind the noise, guys. But yeah, we have pumpkins. That's what we have. And it's really popular because, in October, in Halloween, we grow the pumpkins and we get to have them. So this is what it's about. And also we have the orchid. This is what the orchid looks like, or however you say it. In the orchid, this is where we grow apples, which I'll tell you, I love apples. It's really good, and it's one of my favorite fruits. So I love the orchid, and there's so many recipes that we can make with the apples as well. So we have apples themselves, like you can see here. But also we can make like apple juice, which I love apple juice. It's one of my favorite juices. We also can make apple muffins, apple cinnamon muffins. That is so good, guys. That's one of my favorite desserts to eat. And there's so many others, it's just I don't remember the whole thing. We have apple pies, which I love apple pies. I don't know if I had pie before, but it's good. So this is what we have here. And this is what I know about agriculture farming. Now I'm going to tell you, like I said, agriculture farming is very important because we need the stuff to live, foods and fruits and vegetables and clothes, and furthermore, we need so much things from the agriculture. So that's why I'm a fan of agriculture business, and this is what I really love here. So now I'm going to get to the conclusion. Alrighty, so in conclusion, I really love the agriculture business and growing stuff. You know, it's one of my favorite things, and I love growing things so we can be able to produce and we can live. This is why I really love the agriculture business. And by the way, I even learned in history, you know, in world history, that back then, you know, in the medieval times or the Middle Ages, agriculture was so important to them for them to live, you know, especially in villages and towns and all this, even in cities. That's what I learned when I was in school, you know, world history or social studies, I should say. You know, that's just why I love social studies and world history, and that's why it's very important. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that was me talking about why agriculture is important and facts about it. So if you like this video, please leave a like. That'd be really great if you leave a like on this one. And like I said, if you want to check out my other videos on facts about the farm and me checking out the fields, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll leave the 3 links in the description so you can check it out. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.